Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to talk about the linearity of linear transformation, right? After that we will talk about some examples, right? Okay, so what is basically the meaning of linearity, right? So we know that linear functions are like this, right? Those are like just a linear, not a curvy things, right? Okay, so the linearity of Laplace transformation is, I can write this as, let's say there are some functions k1 f1 t plus k2 f2 t. Here k1 and k2 are constants, right? They are constants, and f1 and f2 are time functions, right? Okay, like that, if the Laplace transformation is linear, I can write this as in this form: plus k2 Laplace transformation of f2t, right? Let's take an example. Let's say Laplace transformation of 3 sin x plus 4 cos x. The variable is t. If I have like this, now I can write this as 3 Laplace transformation of what? Sin t plus 4 Laplace transformation of what? Cos t, right? This is the this is what I meant there, right? So let's prove this property, right? Now I have Laplace transformation of k1 f1t plus k2 f2t, right? So I can write the definition 0 to infinity. The function is k1 f1t plus k2 f2t times e to the minus 60 dt, right? Since integrals are linear, I can write this as k1 f1t 0 to infinity dt time plus 0 to infinity integral of 0 to infinity k2 f2t e to the minus 60. Here there is also e to the minus 60, right? st dt, right? Then since k1 is a constant, I can plug that out. 0 to infinity f1 t e to the minus 60 dt plus k2 0 to infinity f2 t e to the minus 60 dt, right? This is what? This is basically the Laplace transformation of f1, right? This is what? This is basically Laplace transformation of f2. Then I can write this as k1 Laplace transformation of f1 t plus k2 times Laplace transformation of f2 t. So I have basically proved this property. Laplace transformation of k1 f1 plus k2 f2 is basically k1 times Laplace transformation of f1 plus k2 times Laplace transformation of f2, right? Okay, then in the next video I will talk about some properties, right? I will explain some examples, right? So thank you for watching. We will meet in the next video.